What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. I want to show you guys real quick. This is my home office. Moved into a house this summer and this room's been full of stuff, and lately we got it cleared out and I got to set it up for my little YouTube editing home office. So I'll let you guys check it out. See the clutch banner in the back. If you see some of my old videos, that is from the CT Barber Expo this past May. Finally got a chance to hang it up. I'll show you guys the rest. You guys can see I have my old 40-inch TV set up so that I can watch as I do my tutorials. If I do my voiceover, I can watch it on the big screen. There's my blue mic. I don't care for that much. I'm gonna see what else I can get, but this is my little office. Got a little window, the banner. Don't mind all this old furniture we're waiting to get rid of. But like I said, I can put the video on full screen in front of me, kind of sit back and be comfortable when I do my voiceover. Always helps me do my voiceover better. I'm gonna tweak the setup a little bit. I got a desk coming for Christmas and all that. We said it before, guys, we're really getting close to 1,000 now. So if you guys aren't subscribed, please hit that button. You guys really don't know how much it helps. If you guys subscribe, give it a thumbs up every time. Comments really help. All that is doing is telling YouTube that my videos are interesting and helping show them to more people. So if you guys don't mind to do that, make sure you subscribe. Give me that thumbs up and leave me a comment. Guys, we're almost to 1,000. I'm gonna do this giveaway, so stay tuned. We'll get right into the video. Alright guys, this video is going to be a high taper with curls on top. We're just going to leave the top alone, do a high taper on the sides and a taper in the back, and do a sharp lineup with some color enhancement. We're going to get started with our Slimline Pros, go in and set our ball guideline. You guys can see I'll take it from the top of the C cup all the way to the top of the ear, or I guess the top of where the ear connects to the side of the head. That's kind of my line I usually do for a high taper. Then we will come in underneath with our skeletons before we come in with our shaver underneath that to bald it out. And if you guys see, there's some stubble underneath where the sideburn would be this darker than the C-cup area where there is no stubble. So I actually take that bald line really high all the way up to that guideline. That way we don't have a difference in shade from the sideburn to the C-cup where there is no stubble. Now we're going in with our open clipper and setting our first section. This is going to be about a ½ inch up. We're going to do this fade a little bit tighter, or this taper a little bit tighter on this side since we have so much curl on top. And of course we'll go in now with our slimline and start to work the bottom of that line out. Now with the clipper closed, we'll come in with the corner of our blade and start to work out any dark spots we see. And then we'll open our lever up and take anything else out that we didn't get before. Alright, we're going to go in with the open one, and this is on our Babyless Gold FX. Do an open one, up another ½ inch. You can see I'm brushing the hair back down to see my guideline that I'm setting in. We don't want a real harsh guideline, but again, we're trying to stay under those curls. So we'll just bump that up, and then we'll come in with it closed and start to take that line out. What we don't get with the clipper closed, with the one guard, we'll put on our half guard and come back and touch up the rest of that. Now we're going to come in with the 2 guard and flick out into the curls on top. If you see what I just did, I just kind of slowed down the clipper so I can show you the motion. But we're just coming out through that section and into the curls on top. And now we're using our 1.5 to take the line out between the 1 section and the 2 section. And of course, guys, like usual, after we get to the top and start to work all that out, if there's anything left below as we finish up the taper, we'll just work our way back down and kind of polish up what we started. Make sure that we're happy with the blend before we do the other side. Go in here on the back, we're going to do the same steps. We're going to keep it kind of low. We want the curls above the occipital to kind of roll out in the same shape of his head right there as it kind of rolls out above the occipital. So we're not going to touch any of the curls above that. We're just going to pack that taper in down below. So slimline, shave right underneath that, and then we'll work our way up. Go in with our open clipper again. And you guys can see his hair likes to grow to the side on each side of his taper, so I actually will turn the clipper on inside and make sure that I'm cutting all that hair nice and even. And again guys, same steps. Slim line at the bottom, close clipper, open clipper. We'll work our way up. Guys, this is the second voiceover. I got this video totally finished, put it on YouTube, and for some reason the voiceover was just terrible. The sound quality. So I had checked it on my computer. It seemed like it was okay, but once I got it on the TV and checked it out, it was terrible. So we're doing this again. You know, I want to bring quality to you guys. I hate my voice already, and again, my allergies are terrible today. But the quality on this setup, I think I figured it out. So I think I figured it out on this one, and the quality will be good for you guys. So to keep going, we're going in with our open one again. Let's set that section. Keep brushing the hair down until we have a consistent section going all the way across, and then we'll close it up and take that line out. Again guys, if there's anything left after the one, we'll come in with the half guard and polish the rest of that out before we go up to the two. Coming with our two guard, flick out into the curls, same as the side, and then we'll use our 1.5 to take that line out. And as usual guys, if the 1.5 doesn't get it, come in and use our 1 underneath that, just work our way back down until this whole blend is finished. And I hope you guys are catching on. Same steps, every hair texture. We're just placing from skin to a 2 in a different spot. If we're doing a taper, we put it on the sides as high as we need to and place the bald on where we want to. And then if we're doing a back taper, we just do it, you know, accordingly. If we're doing a fade, we set our guidelines and work the same steps. So it's all about the system, guys. Just stick to the system, place it where you need, and you should come out consistent every time. And I remember when I was a beginner and I was kind of guessing. I knew what I was trying to do, but you know, there was no idea where that outcome of that haircut was going to go to. So now I got a system. I stick to it every time, and if you guys can figure your own way out, and again, you can follow mine. It's similar to a lot of guys, but it really depends on the clippers you have. But once you lock that in, you guys should be able to put out consistent work, same every time. Especially for the client when he comes back and wants the same haircut. You know, you need to be able to deliver that. So just get you a system and stick with it, and just apply it to the haircut you're doing, and you should be all right. I'm going to speed this side up, guys. Real quick, I do want to thank you guys. You know, I'm about to hit 1,000 subscribers, and the other criteria for YouTube to become a partner is 4,000 watch hours. Guys, that's a lot of hours. So I just want to thank you guys real quick. Those of you who stay around and watch my whole videos, you guys are the reason my channel is doing so well. And like I said, if you guys always leave comments or give me a thumbs up, or the ones of you who are subscribed, you guys are really helping the channel grow. So I just want to take a second to thank you guys for watching these videos, especially if you watch the whole thing. I really try to bring some heat for you guys, so I hope it helps, and I appreciate you guys. So we'll go in here and do the edge up. On hair like this, guys, you want to comb these curls over the line up, go in, edge it up, and then you need to comb it down again. You'll do that 2 or 3 times before you're finished. And the idea is, you know, if you just line it up once and you haven't combed the hair down, you know, he could leave and scratch his head, or, you know, put a shirt on or do something that moves his hair around. And some of those curls can come out over the edge up, and you'll lose your sharpness of that line you work so hard for. So you just want to comb it down a couple times and get that edge up sharp to make sure that there's no hair that's going to mess that up after he leaves. Alright guys, we're going to do this front edge up. A little tip for you guys to separate the long hair from the short. If you take a comb and pull up the long hair, anything that won't be held by that comb, you can brush down, hit it with a little spritz, and then you'll have your bangs to edge up. You know, in a cut like this, you want to comb those bangs down and edge them up. So as we edge them up, guys, in the front, that's kind of where his hairline is. In the corners, that's more of bangs that we comb down. So we're not pushing him back. I know I hear this all the time on YouTube, on videos. What we're doing is cutting the bangs, and that's filling in his corner. So you can see in the corner where it's thinner. So his hairline's really up above that, but combing that hair down and edging it up allows us to fill in those edges without pushing it back. So we'll just go from the center to both corners, edge up the vertical bars, and then we're going to go in and add some color enhancement. Guys, we're going to come in here with the 245 no drip. This is the black brown. This is my color enhancement card that you guys know about. Guys, I am sold out again. Thank you guys, everybody that purchased one. Thanks to all my other YouTube guys that shout me out on their videos. Man, I can't even keep up. I'm totally shocked by how this card has gone. They will be in stock soon. Next video, if I remember, I'm going to drop a picture of the new logo and the print that's going to be on it so you guys can check it out. I think they're going to be so cool that some of you guys that already have one are going to want a new one. So again, thank you guys for ordering. This card just gives you all the angles so we can use the long edge for the long flat part of the edge up. We'll use the corners for the 90s. And then if we had a C cup, we could use the curve for the C cup or a beard lineup. And guys, you see here I'm going in and doing color on the back line. Usually don't do that, but I just wanted to try it out and see what we could come up with. So of course, go in with the 245 shave gel, and we will razor this line up and then see the finished product. Alright guys, we put some 245 Royal Wax, and we're going to use the curl sponge to twist it up. You guys can see the finished product. Super stoked with this cut. I haven't cut Evan for a long time. He used to be a client about 3 years ago. Went to barber school, and now he's one of my barbers. So guys, if you like this cut, smash the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. You could be the 1,000th subscriber. So I'm going to do the 1,000 sub giveaway soon. And you know the drill, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. I may be dropping another tutorial Thursday. I'm going to get on it. I might drop a couple of weeks. So until then, you guys be good. We'll see you next time. you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click this link right here. If you want to check out some more content from me, check out this video right here. Appreciate it.